Uh, Today we have made our Ilocano dish. This is mostly Ilocano people prefer to eat the dish. I will tell you what is the dish we have. This is nagag. See, nagag. See here, this is the one, and this is like a salad because here it is a kamoty, tomato, onion, and it is a salted sauce. Salted sauce means the name is Bagoong. So they will mix it with this one. If you want, you can prepare some little bit lime also. It will be tasty, and also you can add, if people like spicy, means some little bit chili you can add. This is also a side dish for this one. And the next one is, I'll show you, this is the fresh one, Talbos na kamoty. What is that? Means sweet potato leaf. Because this sweet potato leaf, mine and I already harvested in backside of the house. I will show you that one also. I will include in this.
Lagi ta ugot. It's harvesting time. Jai. Ikatanta ko madatanian, tanah nga pagkwanto ulag. Lamdaag butas ka. Pagbutas ka, agkas ta. Lamdama. Tatanay, lata green nga rata. Kista yan nyo.
I will show you that one also. I will include in this video. You can see how they harvest, and then it's just they put in the water and boil it. Not too much boil, just half boil, because this is just a leaf, so it will be don't want to cook too much. It is very tasty for this salad. And the rice also you can eat. And this one is toyo, dry fish. In Tamil they will tell karuvade. Sweet potato leaf. It is in the this is sweet potato leaf. In Tamil we will tell what the name I will include. Okay, this is the season is today. We have too much lime, so calamansi they will used to tell. So they will squeeze it, and this one we can dip this toyo in this one, and also this kamote you can dip in this salted sauce bagoong. So just start eat, and I will taste it, and I will tell you how it tastes. It is a plain rice, just we cook, and this is the just plain rice. We will also eat with this one, and this is for washing. We don't have the tabo, so just washing this one from my hand. So that is the reason I take this one. Okay, we will eat first. Okay. I will take this and a little bit and some bagoong. Wait. Wait, let me taste first. Without rice, I will taste it, how it is. Mm. Tomato is not too much sour. It is like not too much ripe also. It's crunchy, and when it is mixed with the bagoong, the taste will be nice. The salt and also it is like a fish sauce. Mm, the taste is very nice. Not too much salt also because you add already the tomato and onion, so it is very crunchy. And when you eat with the rice, it will be tasty. Let me eat. Mm, nice. I will take the kamote, sweet potato leaf. I will eat little bit, this one, and I want to dip with this one only. This bagoong salted sauce. See, like this. Mm. This one is very soft, and also the stem is also not too much hard. Nice. This is toyo. Mm. Next I will taste this one with this lime calamansi. Mm. Not too much bone also because you can eat this bone also, not too much hard. Mostly the rice is salty, but when you dip with the lime, that saltness it is taking out. So the taste is very nice, mixed with the salt and also what the taste of the toyo. Nice. Toyo means dry fish. Karwade in Tamil. Sorry if I make any mistake. Mostly Ilocano people prefer this one as a very healthy dish. You can also try this one and you can tell me in the comment. Next time I will show you another dish like this, most fresh. Yes, we have a lot of plants and also some other fresh ingredients also. We will show you. Mm. I hope you will like this video, and if you enjoy a lot, please subscribe my video, my channel, and press the bell button notification for my upcoming videos also. And thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.